Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Sainsburys has stopped selling fireworks in all of its 2,300 stores. A Sainsburys spokesperson said, "Fireworks are no longer available in our stores, but customers can continue to choose from a range of seasonal products, such as glow sticks and light-up spinning wands."
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Sainsburys has become the first major British retailer to stop selling fireworks this year. The decision to ban the products from across all 2,300 of its stores came to light after the retailer replied to a tweet from a customer. Sally Wolf messaged the supermarket saying, "Have to say well done and thank you."
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.